Hi, this is Alan E. Kaye. I'm an immigration lawyer with over 35 years' experience. Would like to welcome you to our program, Immigration and You. Hi, welcome to Immigration and You. My name is Alan Kaye. I'm an attorney who has practiced immigration, naturalization, visa, and consular law for the last 35 years. Today we'd like to start off by talking about business immigration. We may not finish in time. This may be a two-part program, but one part of business immigration is the investor program, the immigrant investor program, also known as the EB-5 program. Under this program, a person who invests at least $500,000 in an area of high unemployment in a new business which could create 10 jobs can get an immigrant visa for himself and his family, or herself and her family. If it's not in an area of high unemployment, the investment must be $1 million in any area of the United States in a new business which will generate 10 jobs. When this law was first written, the government was thinking in terms of somebody would start a business in an area of high unemployment like the South Bronx, and he'd work in his business, and the business would generate 10 new jobs. The law has since been amended, and so now there are pilot projects all over the United States where you invest in a pilot project. You don't have to go to the pilot project, you don't have to work there, you don't have to show up there. You just invest in the pilot project, which is usually in an area of high unemployment. You're investing $500,000, and that $500,000 investment will normally within about 6 months, normally about a year and a half would get you a green card for you and your family. If you're here in the United States and you're legally here, you can change from temporary visa to permanent visa. If you're overseas, you can get your immigrant visa through the investment overseas. That includes you, your wife, and children. Now, that money doesn't have to be your own money. Theoretically, it can be loaned to you. There's more discussion on that, which we don't have time for. But this is a quick and easy way for some people who can raise the $500,000 to get an immigrant visa under the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program. There are 10,000 immigrant visas available each year for this program, and only about 3,500 visas are really used each year. So it's a quick and easy and nice way to get an immigrant visa. These pilot projects are all over the country. There may be 100 different pilot projects. There are only about 4 or 5 which are so old, meaning good, that they have gone through the second stage. Now, the second stage means that you get your green card, you get a temporary green card, it's good for 2 years. At the end of 2 years, you have to file again to change the temporary card to permanent card, and the government wants to see that the 10 jobs were created, you didn't take your money and run, that this business actually continued to run. So there's a second phase of the case where you got your green card through the investor program, and 2 years later you have to file to change the temporary to permanent, which is the same as the marriage K1 case. Thank you for listening. My address and contact information is on the bottom of the video. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be back at the next program talking more about business immigration. Thank you for listening.